1.
Make a sim. Save. Open Sim Ripper.
Find that in the description.
Select Recent Save. Pick Sim. Day. Back in Sims 4 Studio, create 3D mesh. Object. Pick something. Export mesh.
2.
In Sims 4 Studio, back to the home page, Animation. Clip. Pick rig. Blank or EA clip. Export. In Blender, open exported rig. Pose it. Hide rig by clicking the eyeballs. Import day. Collider. Import sim. Delete rig 1 and lamp 5. Click your sim's mesh. Click wrench. Under object, select rig. Click apply. Save.
3.
Open your random object. Select main mesh. In edit mode, select all. Delete vertices. In object mode, append. Your sim's Blender file. Object. Your sim. In outliner, select your sim. Click triangle. Select drop-down arrow. Delete all groups. Under UV maps, rename map to UV_0. Select your sim. Select mesh 1. Join them. Click wrench. Add modifier. Decimate. Change size if you wanna. Save. Back in Sims 4 Studio, re-import over your random deco object. Tags. Change them if you wanna. Warehouse. Locate maps. Import blanks.
Find that in the description.
Done. Ready? Now, strike a pose. Ooh la la.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.